morning, teachers. Hey, today I wanted to talk to you about Google Slides. If you haven't heard of that yet, this will be a pretty short and sweet video. I will leave links to the Facebook groups for Gogokid and VIP Kid in the description box. Most of these do not have Uni or Dino in them, so you can also use them for Cambly if you'd like to, or whichever ESL company that you are working for. Google Slides changed my life. I can show you. I used to spend forever making rewards. Actually, that top tote there is completely filled with rewards with magnetic like magnets on pizza pans or cookie sheets, and I made some really cool rewards. But then I found Google Slides, and a lot of people have been using Google Slides forever. Now you can do this on your phone or your iPad. I use an iPad because my iPad is also my backup plan. My iPad is not connected to my internet, it's connected to my phone service, so therefore if the internet goes out, this is my backup plan. But Google Slides is extremely simple to use, and a lot of really awesome teachers volunteer their time and make these slides. They're already done, and if you work for the companies like VIP Kid or Gogokid, you can go onto the Facebook page and you can join the group and download them for free. So here's mine. I have all these, and so when I find when I teach a class, I just click on one. So right now it's Thanksgiving time. So I downloaded, let's see, Thanksgiving, pick one, teacher versus student. I downloaded like 4 of them, one for each age group essentially. So that way I have something for each kid. So today I used choose a turkey. All you do is you click, whoa, oh my goodness, my cat jumped up here and scared the crap out of me. So you just pick your slide and then you go up here and you click present on this device. It takes just a second. So you can do this right as you're going into class. You don't really have to prep anything at all. And then you just click. It'll give you the instructions right on here if you need them. So basically you have your kid choose a turkey. Now you can always extend on this. You can ask about colors, you can ask about what they like to eat, blah blah blah, like what they eat for their holidays. Use, depending on your student, you can make it harder or easier, but you can also just say 1 or 2, and most kids can handle that. If they pick 1, they're going to get a star. If they pick 2, they're gonna get this. And then you can show them the bad one if you want, and then you just go to the next one. So for the next time. Personally, I do a reward every time I give a star. So the classes are 25 minutes. I do them every 5 minutes. That's just how I've always done it. It's up to you how you do it, but have them choose a vegetable, green beans, then this one's the bread, and then the potato, and then the pie. And then happy Thanksgiving, you get all 5 stars. Yay. Simple like that. And there's just a million different rewards. You close out of it, you get out, you go into a different one for the next class depending on your student's level and ability. So I just want to throw this out there. If you haven't used Google Slides, it is a phenomenal way to do your rewards. It doesn't take up any space. It's just easy. And you can also use this for extension too. There's a lot of slides that you can extend your lessons on if you have time, but there's games, there's find a star, just so many options. So anyway, I wanted to show that to you today, and like I said, I will leave the links in the description box for the Facebook pages. You do have to be on Facebook in order to access the ones that are already made for you. You can make them yourself, but that takes a lot more time. So my cat is playing with the I don't even know. That's funny. Anyways, I just wanted to show that to you. If you're not using it already, I would highly suggest it. It's a lot more fun. The kids will dig it, and you can use it for all of these companies. So, yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'm wishing you all a happy Thanksgiving. Everything's so weird. I wonder if you're spending time with your families or just kind of doing your own thing. I know for us, we're just doing just like just my mom and dad and one of my brothers because we're the only ones who haven't really been around other people in the last couple weeks. So, um, yeah, we're doing that. Oh, and I got something new. Look, a friend gave me this the other day. It's like a dandelion. You know when you blow on a dandelion? Inside there it's white and it's got a little thing that says wish on it. I just thought that was the cutest thing. Anyways, thanks, Carrie. Yeah, so that's all I've got for you today. Go ahead and give this a like and subscribe if it helped you out at all. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy teaching. Bye.